Hello and welcome to a very important lecture series on social religious reformers in India, and in today's class I am going to talk about Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. So let us look at the contributions as well as facts associated with Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. So the first fact is he worked for the upliftment of Muslims in both religious as well as social spheres. So Sir Syed Ahmad Khan has contributed towards the upliftment of Muslims in both religious as well as social spheres. Furthermore, he is considered as the pioneer of Muslim nationalism in India. So this is again an important aspect. He is considered as a pioneer of Muslim nationalism in India. Furthermore, he is also widely credited with the two nation theory, which led to the formation of Pakistan later on. So this is how you can look at the contribution or the facts associated with Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Further, he founded, this is very important contribution of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Further, he founded the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College in Aligarh in the year 1875. This is now called as, later they changed the name, that is from Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College, they changed it to Aligarh Muslim University. So this is AMU now. It is a predecessor to AMU, obviously. So Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College in 1875 was established or started by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, which later on culminated into Aligarh Muslim University. Furthermore, he advocated the removal of Parda system or veil system in Muslim community. So this is again an important contribution of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. He also condemned the practice of polygamy, that is one individual marrying a number of wives, and also divorce. So these are the two social evils, and he advocated against them, that there shouldn't be polygamy as well as divorce in the society. Furthermore, he founded institutions like the Desh Bhagat Sangathan as well as Upper Indian Muslim Security Organization. Now these two organizations, that is the Desh Bhagat Sangathan as well as the Upper Indian Muslim Security Organization, was for the unity and organization or coming together of the Muslims in India. So this is again an important contribution of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. He is also regarded as the one who said that both Hindus as well as Muslims are one qaum, they are all one. So this is again an important contribution of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Furthermore, he got knighthood from the Britishers, and this knighthood was given to him in the year 1888. So this is an important title given to him by the British government, and that title is called as knighthood, and it was given to him in 1888. Furthermore, in 1859, this is again very important, his publication or contribution towards writing or literature. In 1859, published Asbab-e-Bagawat-e-Hind, which is literally translated into English as The Cause of the Indian Revolt. So this is again an important literary contribution of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. That is Asbab-e-Bagawat-e-Hind, literally translated into The Cause of the Indian Revolt. And lastly, he translated Urdu works, or he translated works from English into Urdu, because he wanted the regular Muslim public as well as people to understand or have the idea of how the Western culture literature is like, and they should get Western education, and that is why he translated English works into Urdu. So this is again an important contribution of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. As far as birth year and death year is concerned, the birth year is 1817 and the death year is 1898. So this is how you can look at the facts as well as various important contributions associated with yet another important personality from the socio-religious reform movements in India, that is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. So I hope the idea is pretty much clear. The important contributions are with respect to his pioneer of Muslim nationalism, the two nation theory. Also a very important point is he was the pioneer of Aligarh movement. I missed this one, but he was the pioneer of Aligarh movement. So this is again an important contribution of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Furthermore, Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College, which later on culminated into Aligarh Muslim University, revolted against the Parda system, polygamy, as well as the divorce system, advocated Western education for the Muslims, as well as he also worked for the upliftment of women, particularly an upliftment of Muslims, both the religious upliftment as well as the social upliftment of Muslims in India. So this is how you can look at the important personality named as Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. So I hope this is pretty much clear. Please stay tuned. Thank you.